Welcome to EcoSurf Mixed Farm, nestled here in the lush of northern Uganda, where innovation meets sustainability. Here at EcoSurf Mixed Farm, we believe in harmony with nature. We want to try as much as possible to preserve the natural environment, and our goats roam freely across the pastures, and they are nourished by the rich vegetation that we have here in our farm.
So each day our dedicated team always ensures that every goat receives the care, the attention, the nutrients, the food, the water, and whatever they need. Yeah, in addition to regular checkups that we do. The bond that we have built between ourselves and the goats is on mutual respect and understanding. You can see here.
Their contented bleat is a testament of the thriving environment that we have cultivated here over the past few months.
Our commitment to organic farming practices ensures that every mouthful of grass our goats enjoy is free from harmful chemicals. This not only benefits the health of our animals but also contributes to the sustainability of the ecosystem.
So as the day goes by, we keep reminding ourselves of the ecosystem, the deep connection that our livestock has with us and with the land and the pastures. Our goats are more than just livestock. We see them more like an ambassador of the greener and brighter future to come. We believe it's going to be an interesting journey, and we shall keep sharing with you how this goes. Thank you for joining us today through the journeys of the wonders of EcoSurf Mixed Farm. I urge you to continue preserving the natural environment and preserving for the future. Thank you, and please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.